Welcome to King City, where a premier development of luxury estate homes is taking shape behind me. This site will feature hundreds of modern estate homes built by some of the area's most renowned builders. We've been invited to tour this stunning $4.4 million model home you see behind me, which features some breathtaking upgrades, including a private elevator, extensively oversized kitchen, and an ensuite bathroom layout like you've never seen before. Stick around for an in-depth look at one of King City's most exclusive new developments. Before we head into this stunning model home, let's set the stage. We're in beautiful King City, just 30 minutes north of Toronto. King City has a population of just under 30,000 people and rivals other affluent neighborhoods like Oakville, Edenbridge, and Rosedale. Detached homes sell on average above $2 million, with some homes selling as high as $30 million in the last year alone. Living amidst the rolling hills of the Oak Ridges Moraine, outdoor enthusiasts have plenty to enjoy here. With a rich equestrian history, many residents take part in horseback riding, play golf on some of Ontario's most prestigious and challenging courses, or go cycling, taking advantage of the mix of scenic hills and flat terrain. If you're thinking of moving to King City with your family, you'll be pleased to know it's home to some outstanding private schools. The Country Day School, located nearby, has been a pillar of excellence for over 50 years, known for its exceptional academics, personalized approach to learning, and focus on character development. With small class sizes, dedicated educators, and a stunning 100-acre campus, it provides an inspiring and supportive environment for students to excel. Another top-rated option is Villanova College, an independent Catholic Augustine school with a 25-year legacy of academic excellence and community values. Pricing in this community starts from the low 2 millions and features the same excellent craftsmanship as we'll see in the model home inside. Now, if you'd like to learn more about this community or King City as a whole, feel free to reach out to me. There's a link in the description below. Welcome inside this brand new model home, which features just under 6,000 square feet of interior living space. Upstairs, we have 4 bedrooms with the option of 5 if you prefer. We also have 7 bathrooms. And right here where I'm standing is this beautiful grand landing with 21-foot ceilings and a stunning oak staircase that spirals around the room. Now, there's so many unique features to this home. I'm going to make sure we capture all the details, such as where we are over here in the office room with a stunning 13-foot high ceilings and wood feature on the ceiling as well. Now, you can easily envision this with a desk and some chairs in front of it to be used as a traditional office or a more formal sitting room as it's being used right now. Here we are in the formal dining room just to the left of me. This space flows seamlessly into the family room over here to the right. As we walk through these spaces, pay attention to all the details the builder incorporated into this home. We have this stunning shiplap coating on the walls, as well as these beautiful wall sconces, and that nice coating we saw in the office, the hardwood flooring on the ceiling to match the floors. Like most homes in this price point, an elevator is included, which takes you from the basement all the way to the second floor, but if you prefer, it can definitely be removed as well. The kitchen is the heart of every home, and this one does not disappoint. The designers here have pre-selected some neutral color palettes that mesh elegantly with everybody's lifestyle. Standard appliances include a Wolf stove and oven combo, plus a Sub-Zero fridge and a Cove dishwasher. The cabinets rise up to the top to the 10-foot smooth finish ceilings and featured elegant crown molding at the top. On one side of the kitchen, we have the primary sink right against the window, and on the opposite side of the kitchen, we have the secondary sink with 2 large wine fridges on either side. And then in the middle of the kitchen, we have this huge island with storage on one side and a nice seating area over here. The breakfast bar over here can accommodate up to 4 chairs, and the eat-in kitchen area can accommodate up to 10 people easily. So a house and a kitchen of this size can really house any family size you guys have. And then through these windows, you get the beautiful ravine view this house gets to enjoy all year round. Let's check out the great room with soaring 15-foot ceilings, plus that hardwood feature on the ceiling we saw earlier. The walls have that shiplap coating. We have a really nice fireplace behind me, And then out these windows, we have that ravine we saw earlier and a covered loggia for you to enjoy in your backyard. This basement features a separate walkout entrance from the side, plus one bedroom and an ensuite washroom connected to it. It has a second washroom as well, a little bit further down, with a gym and a large living room. This kitchenette is configured as a bar with a nice wine fridge and wine library, but it can also be configured as a traditional kitchen if that's what you prefer. Up here we have 4 generously sized bedrooms, each with an ensuite and a walk-in closet. You also have the second floor laundry, which is quite a nice thing to have. You might be wondering where we are in the home with this bar right behind me, but we are actually in the primary bedroom, and this is a morning bar. The primary ensuite washroom is quite long and has a really unique feature. His and her watering closets on either side of the room. Plus in the middle, you have this glass enclosed shower where the couple can meet at the end of the day. Primary bedroom continues the theme of the house with a stunning hardwood feature on the ceilings. Plus you have these great built-ins around the fireplace over here. 2 large walk-in closets. I mean, one's big enough to be a nursery, and the stunning view out the windows, the ravine we saw earlier. And there you have it, a tour of a beautiful model home over in King City. Now this community has homes ranging in size from 2,000 square feet to just under 6,000 square feet like the home we're in right now. Some homes can be configured as a bungalow, some homes can be configured as a 3-car garage or a 2-car garage layout. Also, you could have walkout basements and walk-up basements. Homes range in price from $2.2 million all the way up to $4.4 million, with possession in around 12 months from today. For a limited time, the builder is offering an excellent promotion with thousands of dollars in design credits. If you'd like to learn more about this community or King City as a whole, feel free to reach out to me. There's a link in the description below with my contact details. But I'd really love to know what you guys thought about this model home and this community. The comment section is the best place to leave your feedback. Now moving forward, we're putting out a video a week about everything to do with life in Toronto, including neighborhood guides, property tours, and real estate tips. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be the first to be notified once a new video is released. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next one.